Hello, 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 Goodson Gamer here, and welcome to Chuckie Egg on the Commodore 64. So, I have reviewed this game on various systems, and the best version, in my opinion, is the Amstrad CPC. But now, let's take a look at the Commodore 64 version here. So, let's put play S. Joystick. I don't have a joystick, I have a controller. So here we go, okay. Oh, so here we are. Hooray! Let's collect all the eggs here. Let's stay away from the birdies. Let's see if we can get anywhere here. So I need to collect all the eggs, but the bird seed is not obligatory. It just gives me some points, I think. So it's a fantastic game, this one. It's a real classic. So far I must say, okay, I say the Amstrad version looks better and plays better, but this is very, very good as well. This is a very good version. I have not played this game for 6 months, so I don't really remember. I don't really remember, actually, to be honest. The Amstrad version, but this is it's just cool. This is just fun. This is a game like today is Friday night, and it's just cool. It's just fun to just pick up and play. So that was the second level done here. So now we are in a, it's getting difficult here. More challenging here. We have escalators here to left, and there is a little bit of timing involved here. So let's see. Okay, it's not that bloody difficult, but actually, so let's take the right road here and collect some eggs here. And let's drop down here and wait for the birdie to go. So now the only way is down to the left there, so we have to wait for the birdie, because that pink birdie is lethal as fuck. So now I have to go through this escalator here again. Ooh, that was a little bit close there. Oh shit. Okay, the birdie went there. Okay. So the birdie goes down and goes up. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. So now I need to collect that egg there. So how? Okay, okay, perhaps I have to jump. Okay, I have one more egg actually. I have one more egg here. Okay, so now perhaps I can... for fuck's sake! Where am I now? Okay, wait for the... Hey, for fuck's sake! Hell, one egg. How... Okay, take it easy now, easy. Ah! Okay. Okay, so... Okay, I don't know how many lives I have. But my lives is up there. So I have 4 lives left. I don't know if this version I have is the correct original version, or is it kind of a trainer or something. But it doesn't really matter. I just want to give this game a go, so my viewers can have a glimpse of it. It's a very fun game actually. Ah, for fuck's sake. I know. Oh. Let's go play here. Okay, they're coming down now. Oh, wait for it. Okay, here we go. Let's go upwards. We have one more egg to the left there. We can take that one later. Okay, we can go drop down here, perhaps. Okay, wait for it. Okay, so now, for fuck's sake. Ah! Okay, where do I start now? Okay, let's go up and collect that egg. To the left first. Ah! Okay. Okay, that's the problem here. The controls a little bit. When I play with the controller, it's not... everyone can see there. It's a little bit of... So, yeah. So it's not very optimal to play this game with an Xbox One controller, as everyone can see. But okay, I cannot really say I'm not a good expert or anything. Fuck, everyone see it. It's just too difficult to do that move there. Hey, for fuck's sake. Okay, let's go there. No, don't come down here, you pink bastard. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see here if we can do that jump. It's a little bit of problematic. And everyone can see him. It's a little bit of problematic here. Can I just drop down here? No, I cannot drop down there either. Oh, so it's a... I mean, it's a good game, but you need perhaps play this game with keyboard or some kind of joystick. Everyone can see there, it just don't work to do that little bit of jump there. So it's a little bit of frustrating actually. It's last test here. No, it just don't go work out. So there you go. It's just a little bit of glimpse. Chuckie Egg. It's a very good version, this one. Amstrad CPC version, okay, it's better. But this one is very good. I'm gonna give it 8 out of 10 for this one as well. 8 out of 10 for Chuckie Egg on the Commodore 64. Awesome. I recommend it. Have a good one. Goodbye.